In this video, you'll learn what Facebook Messenger chatbot marketing is and also why you should be getting into it right now. So first of all, what is it? Basically, it's using a piece of software in order to have one-on-one conversations with people on Facebook Messenger. In other words, it's a way to automate conversations on Facebook Messenger. So what is the power of this? Well, let me show you. So here we are in the Facebook Messenger chat, and the bot has already started a conversation with us. So what I want to do here is show you what you can do with this bot and the unlimited potential it has to get more customers, improve your sales, generate leads, anything that your business needs. So the bot has started a conversation with me. Hi Robin, how are you doing today? What I'm going to do is bring up the list here, the menu, and I'm going to ask, what's this? I'm not actually sure what this R&J super sale is. So the bot starts a conversation. Glad you asked, Robin. We like to call ourselves Super Deal Store. We find the best deals available to sell them to the lowest prices possible. How does that sound? And here I'm getting two options. Sounds awesome or not very interesting. Well, I think this sounds awesome. So the conversation with the bot continues. We think so too. So Mr. Nordin, what would you like to know more about? So let's say your latest deals. I'm gonna click here. So as you can tell right now, we have gone from asking what is this to having the bot actually send us to the deal section of the store. Sure thing, simply click on the link below, visit store. So this is how powerful the Facebook Messenger chatbot is. It's an automated process, and what the bot has done is introduce me to what the store is and then funnel me or send me to the latest deal section for me to become a potential customer. And the possibilities with this is unlimited. That is why this is so powerful. But also, there are more things to consider when it comes to Facebook Messenger chatbots. The other thing would be that it is the most personal form of marketing. Now, in the past, you would have to hire someone and have those person in a live chat to be helping people, to be answering basic questions, because getting a live support and getting this kind of personal touch is so important. And people are using Messenger today. People aren't using other tools like email as much as before. So getting it personal like this is extremely powerful. It allows you to build that relationship and convert those customers much easier. So it's one of the most powerful tools because it's one of the most personal forms of marketing currently available. And that also brings me to the next important point. Currently, Facebook chatbots is the only tool that allows you to automate so many conversations, so many personal conversations at once. Now remember, I told you in the past you needed to hire someone and then they would have one-on-one conversations. But today you can have a bot that has thousands of conversations at the very same time working in the background. And they will be funneling people to your page, showcasing your product, generating leads, gathering all sorts of important information. And it's so powerful to have this one-on-one connection, but still having it as an automated process. You don't need to hire anyone in order to do this. Which brings me to the next point, which is, how is this different from email marketing? Well, email marketing is arguably the most popular form of marketing, and for a good reason, it works. But the different thing with chatbots is that no one expects chatbots to be marketers. No one expects to see any form of ads, to see any form of marketing on Messenger. But in your email, you are so accustomed to getting spam that we even have a spam folder. Nothing like that exists in Messenger. And because of this, chatbots currently have up towards 50 times more engagement than email marketing and 2 to 3 times higher open rates than email marketing. And these are huge numbers. If you're having, let's say, 100,000 subscribers, we're talking about tens of thousands of more open rates and tens of thousands of more engagements, people clicking on your things, people being directed to your site, buying your things. This is huge. And it's all thanks to this one thing, which is it avoids something called email fatigue and banner blindness. Now, email fatigue is when people are so accustomed to getting emails that they just ignore them. When they see an email they don't recognize, they're not gonna click on it, they're not gonna care. This is called email fatigue. Now, the other thing is called banner blindness, and that is when an ad pops up and people don't even pay attention to it because everyone is using ads nowadays. And don't get me wrong, email marketing works and banners works, ads work. But the thing with chatbots is, because it's new, because no one expects marketing on your Facebook Messenger, everyone will be opening it. Currently, there are about 1.5 billion users on Facebook Messenger, and they're all there to have conversations. By creating a bot to market your items, market your website, create leads on that platform with 1.5 billion users ready to engage in conversations, you'll be far ahead of your competition. This is the reason why you should be getting into Facebook Messenger chatbot marketing today. This was only released in 2016, so this is still brand new, and this is the best way to get far ahead of competition. If this sounds interesting to you, which I think it does, let's move on to the next lecture and continue learning about the benefits and then how to use the Facebook Messenger chatbot and improve your business. See you in the next lecture, guys.